Hi everyone, it's Femi Olaniyan here and welcome back to another episode of Finance for 20s. Now in this video, I'll be talking about one of the most powerful ways to grow your wealth, which is how to make passive income in your 20s. Now I'll break down not just what passive income is all about, but also why it is important to start building these passive income streams in your 20s. And most importantly, I'll be talking about the different practical ways you can get started today. So whether you're a student or you're a young professional or you're just starting to think about your financial future, then this video will give you actionable steps to begin your passive income journey today. So let's get started. But firstly, what is passive income? Now, passive income is the money you make with little to no active involvement once the initial work or investment has been made. Now, it's basically like getting paid from something you set up just once and you don't need to work on that thing regularly. I hope you get it. Now, it also provides a way to generate income continuously without trading significant amount of your time or money. It's just like you're making money while you sleep. So stick around and I'll tell you how you can make it a reality with strategies you can start implementing today. Before I go into the different ways to make passive income for yourself, why exactly do you need passive income in your 20s? Now, having passive income in your 20s can set you up for long-term financial security, and it can open up opportunities that might not be otherwise available or possible for you. Now, here are 3 reasons why you need passive income in your 20s. Now, the first one is to build wealth early. Now, starting passive income in your 20s allows you to take advantage of something called compound growth, where the money you make on your investments grow exponentially over time. Now, compound growth means that not only do your initial investment generate returns, but the returns also get to start generating additional returns, thereby creating an effect that accelerates your wealth accumulation very fast. Now, this is particularly powerful in your 20s because you have decades ahead of you for this compound effect to work its magic, and even small consistent investments can grow into substantial sums of money over time through the power of compound growth. Now, the second reason why you need passive income in your 20s is to increase your financial stability. Now, passive income serves as a financial safety net that protects you from life's uncertainties. Now, when you have multiple sources of income, you are better equipped to handle unexpected expenses. Moreover, having a safety net reduces financial stress and anxiety, allowing you to make better long-term financial decisions instead of being forced into desperate choices during emergencies. It's like having an extra layer of financial insurance that works continuously to protect your financial well-being. Now, the third reason why you need passive income in your 20s is to achieve financial freedom or financial independence. Now, when you have passive income streams established, you are no longer solely dependent on your regular job for money. Now, this means you have the flexibility to reduce your working hours or even quit your job entirely if you choose to. Now that you know why you need passive income in your 20s, what are now the different ways you can make passive income in your 20s? Now, the first one is through investment. Now, any passive income through investment is one of the most reliable ways to grow wealth over time. It simply means you put your money in an asset and that asset generates passive income for you. Now, this way, you are not doing any work at all and you're not trading your time for money. Your money is simply working for you and your money is making more money for you. That's how simple it is. Now, what makes investing attractive, especially if you are still in your 20s, is the power of compound interest and time. Now, the earlier you start investing, the more your money can work for you. And we are starting to think that maybe you need a lot of money before you can start investing, then you are only wasting your time. You can start investing with little amount of money and then you can increase that investment gradually. So if you are looking to make passive income through investment, there are some investments you should be putting your money into. Now, the first investment is dividend stocks. Now, investing in stocks simply means you invest your money in a company and then you make money through dividends. Now, this has to do with investing in companies that pay regular dividends to their shareholders or to their investors. That is, you buy shares, you hold them, and then you earn dividends periodically. Now, if you are looking to earn passive income through dividend stocks, you can use apps like the Bamboo app or the Trove Investment app. Now, on these apps, you can invest in dividend stocks with very little amount of money. I also have videos to guide you on how to use these different apps. The links to these videos will be in the description below. Now, the second kind of investment to earn passive income for yourself is real estate investment. Now, you can invest in real estate through multiple approaches. Now, the normal way people invest in real estate involves buying properties directly and earning rental income from tenants, which can provide steady monthly or yearly cash flow for you. Alternatively, you can invest in real estate without owning physical properties through something called Real Estate Investment Trust, that is REIT. Now, REIT are companies that own operate, or finance income-producing real estate properties, and then they pay regular dividends to their investors. Now, another way you can do this is through fractional real estate investment. It's also a way where two or more people can come together to invest in a real estate property, and then they earn passive income from that property. Now, if you're interested in investing in fractional real estate, you can use apps like the Cable app. Now, on the Cable app, you can invest in real estate properties with as low as $10, and then you get to earn passive income on your money. Now, before I go to the third way to make passive income through investment, I discovered that about 70% of you who watch my videos do not subscribe. So please, if you really love my videos and you get so much value from them, I will really appreciate you if you click on that subscribe button and also like this video. Thank you. Now, the third investment to earn passive income in your 20s is through high-yield savings accounts. Now, this involves storing your money in a savings account that offers significantly higher interest rates compared to what you get in your bank account. Now, this account can help your money grow faster while remaining easily accessible. That is, you can get your money anytime from these platforms. Now, while the returns might not be as high as other investments, investing in a high-yield savings account offers you a safe and low-risk option for building passive income, especially when you are just starting out. And if you're interested in this, you can use apps like Cowrywise. On Cowrywise, you can get to invest your money and get passive income in form of interest. Now, I have been doing this on Cowrywise for years, and it's one of the best ways to make passive income consistently. Now, before I go to the fourth way to make passive income through investment, remember that I still have another way you can earn passive income aside from all of these investments. So make sure you keep watching so you don't miss it. Now, the fourth kind of investment to earn passive income for yourself is through crypto investments. Now, making passive income via crypto is one of the ways I love to make money. Now, you can make passive income via crypto investments by locking your cryptocurrency or by staking your cryptocurrency. I can do this on almost every crypto trading app like Bybit, Binance, and so on. And I have videos on how to make passive income on Bybit and Binance. The links to these videos will be in the description below. So if you have crypto or you intend to invest in crypto and earn passive income for yourself, you should check out those videos. Again, the links to those videos will be in the description below. So these are the different ways you can earn passive income through investment. Now, the second way to start earning passive income aside from investment is to start an online business. Now, making passive income through a business might be confusing to some of you, or maybe it might be new to some of you, but it is simple and I'm going to explain in this video. Now, earning passive income through a business involves setting up systems or business models that generate revenue without requiring your constant active participation in that business. Now, think of it like building a well-designed machine that keeps running and producing value even when you are not actively working on it. Now, the important thing here is to create systems, processes, and products that can generate income with minimal day-to-day involvement from you. So here are some of the ways you can earn passive income through a business. Now, the first way is to sell digital products. Now, this has to do with creating and selling of digital products that provide value to your customers. Now, this can include writing and selling ebooks on topics you are knowledgeable about, or creating comprehensive online courses that teach specific skills, or selling professional templates, or creating assets like social media templates. Now, these are different digital products that you can sell online to make money. And I also have a video on the 13 digital products you can sell online to make money. I'll make sure I put the link to that video in the description below. So if you are looking for ideas of digital products to sell online to make money for yourself, make sure you watch that video. Now, the idea here is to create a digital product once and sell it multiple times. Now, this is one of the best ways to make passive income for yourself, and you can even turn this to a side business where you just create multiple digital products and sell them online. Now, this way, you only need to dedicate time to create a valuable digital product that people really need and that you know that people will buy. So that's the first way. Now, the second way to earn passive income through a business is affiliate marketing. Now, this involves promoting products or services that you believe in through your website, your blog, or your social media platform. Now, when someone makes a purchase through your referral link, you earn a commission. Now, this can be particularly effective if you have a strong online presence, especially in a specific niche. Now, for example, if you create content in a fashion niche, then you should be promoting fashion products with your affiliate links. Now, an example is you going to Amazon and copying the link to a fashion item that's trending, make a content about it or review that product, and it can be a blog post, a YouTube video, and add your affiliate link to the blog post or your YouTube video. And depending on the number of people who watch that video or read that blog post, you can make enough money when people buy the items through your affiliate link. And the more people who see your blog post or the more people who see your YouTube videos, the more money you can potentially make through this. Now, the third way to earn passive income through an online business is to create an automated service. Now, this involves building apps or websites that solve specific problems for users and generate recurring revenue for you. Now, this could include developing productivity tools, or maybe you create productivity apps, or you create an automated app that addresses common challenges. Now, once you build these automated services, you can get to earn money for yourself through subscription fees, premium features, or even advertising revenue. And people are making so much money from this. So these are the three ways you can earn passive income through an online business. So these are the multiple ways you can earn passive income in your 20s. I've talked about how you can earn passive income through your investment and through your digital business or your online business. So creating a passive income stream in your 20s is one of the smartest financial decisions you can ever make for yourself. Now, it requires effort and patience, but you know that there are long-term benefits that can transform your lives in this. So whether you are making passive income through investment or through an online business, the key is to start early, stay consistent, and reinvest the money you are making. And remember, your 20s are the perfect time to experiment, take calculated risk, and learn what works for you. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, drop a comment below, and please subscribe to the YouTube channel. And before I go, I want to let you know that this will be the final episode of Finance for 20s. From episode 1 to the 20th episode, each episode has helped at least one person in their 20s, and I'm so happy for that. So if you have been watching this series from the first episode to this last episode, let me know in the comment section below. You might get something from me. And if you have not seen other episodes in this series, the link to the playlist will be in the description below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.